Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your EV charging API with RapidAPI. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your EV charging API with RapidAPI, start by logging into your RapidAPI account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the API section from the main dashboard. Use the search bar to find your EV charging API. Select your API from the search results to access its details page. On the details page, review the available endpoints and documentation. Click the Get Started button to initiate the integration process. You'll see an option to view the API keys required for access. Copy the endpoint URL you wish to connect to. Open your development environment or code editor. In your code, set up a new HTTP request using your preferred programming language. Include the copied endpoint URL in your request. Add the appropriate headers, including your API key. If needed, configure any parameters required by the API endpoint. Run your code to test the connection. Monitor the response for any errors or successful data retrieval. If successful, you'll receive data formatted as specified in the API documentation. You can now integrate this data into your application or dashboard. Once the setup is complete and you're satisfied with the connection, consider optimizing your code for performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.